Hello, I'm Ikuzo, and I like to wake up every day late. This is my dog, and I wake up, do a little bit of exercise. Yes, that is about it. Put a little bit of parfum by Banderas. Very good for the tan and for the, And come with me. I want to show you something. Come with me. This is a surprise. Yes. When I wake up, I make myself with my storkator a little bit of juice. I put it in the freezer, and then I let him go. I without room and make some juice in the bahar. It's good apple, very good, very healthy. I'm afraid of water, so I don't think. This is it, Alaska from Real, only 1,300,000. And then come over here, eh? Wow, what a view. Yeah, I think about it. No dog, get in the house. And I come out here, Whoa. Wow. Yeah. Give me the camera a little bit. Oh. Yeah. This is my view. Whoa. And when I see this view, I wonder what life is. What is the meaning of all the God of created, Beautiful.